Hello, I'm Abram, and today I want to give you a quick guide on how you can install Power BI, okay, before our class. So we have two methods or ways which you can download Power BI, and these two methods somehow come to converge at one point, okay. Maybe let's start and see where the two methods will converge. Okay, so the first method is to download Power BI through your local browser or basically your browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Microsoft Edge, it can be Mozilla Firefox, any browser which you are using. Okay, so come and search Power BI. So Power BI download. So once you search Power BI download, it will give you different indexes here, and we will go with the first index. So download Power BI. Okay. So if you click download Power BI, you can see it will take you to this area. Okay, and it will tell basically it will show you to download Power BI Desktop. Of course, Power BI Desktop is a free version of Power BI. So, and it's the one which we'll be using to create our visuals, to create our reports, even to create our dashboard. So, yes, you can click download. Okay. Once you click download, it will give you a prompt that you should open what? Microsoft Store. Okay. So it is prompting us to open Microsoft Store in order to download. Okay. Now, that is the first method. Okay. You can, however, come direct to the Microsoft Store. Here, this icon is the one which it's called Microsoft Store. You can come where we have the Microsoft Store and then open the Microsoft Store. Okay, and then give it some time to load, and then you can come here and search Power BI. We need Power BI. Okay, so give it some time to load, don't worry. So if you search Power BI, you will be able to see Power BI Desktop. This is the uh, application we are interested in. Okay, you can, however, click on it. Okay, and then it will tell you to install. If you already installed it, it will show you an option to open. Okay, so in this case, we will click install for it to download and install, be installed automatically. So just click install, and it will start now downloading. Okay, and then it will as well do what? It will as well that is start installing. Right now it's downloading. Okay, of course it's a big file, it's a big application with around over 800 MBs. Okay, so it might take a couple of minutes, let's say 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, depending with also your internet speed. So down here, as we wait for it to install, down here we can just go through some screenshots and also some description of the Power BI. So you can see basically Power BI gives you that is ability to create visuals, okay, which can be interactive, and as well you can create reports with it. Okay, you can also connect data to different sources. You can model and also your data, and as well you can do what? You can now create visuals, okay, or visualize your data. Okay, we have some screenshots here. Maybe I can just quickly take you through the screenshots as we wait for it to download. Okay, the first screenshot you can see, it's basically sales report. You can see it's represented as a dashboard. okay, which is basically giving us that is a summary of all that is the cells, okay, that is in different locations. You can see the total revenue from the sales. You can as well see the sales that is all units sold expressed in quarterly basis or on quarterly level. Yeah, so basically this it's trying to show us summary report, okay. Then the second one, it's a layout. Okay, so Power BI, of course, it has two layouts. You can have a desktop layout or a computer layout, as well as a phone layout. As you can see, this one it's a phone layout, meaning with your phone you can as well access those dashboards and have clear view, okay, of the presentation. Okay, then we have different data sources. Sorry, we have different data sources. Of course, you can get data from Excel. You can get data in text or CSV format. You can get data from a JSON using like JSON files, from a folder in PDF, also from a SharePoint folder. You can as well get data from SQL Server. Okay, you can create a connection to your maybe database, okay, in SQL Server, and then link it to Power BI and be able to do your visuals on Power BI. Okay, it can be a table in let's say a certain table in what, SQL Server. Okay, as well, you can, okay, I can see it is already downloaded here and it's ready to launch. But before that, maybe let's finish on these screenshots. Okay, so you can as well connect data from Access, okay, database, from Oracle, from IBM databases, and many others. Okay, yes, then the other one, it's showing us the Power Query editor. Of course, as you know, in Excel, more so when you are doing data modeling in Excel, you can as well come up. We also have Power Query in Excel. It works similarly, okay, as the Power BI Power Query, okay, and we shall see that, okay. Yes, so basically, this basic Power Query gives you the aspect that you can clean your data from a specific view. Even if you've already loaded the data, you can recreate columns, you can recreate rows, you can do a lot with Power Query, and we shall maybe see how this Power Query it's powerful. Okay. Yes, then the other one, it's basically this it's kind of these connections which you are showing. It will also look how different tables can using different columns can what, can establish relationship between what, between the tables, or how they can connect. Okay. Yes, and then we have other. This is also a dashboard, which maybe it's showing us the what if analysis. Okay, for forecast and also for the net sales. Also, this is a dashboard, and also the eighth one, the eighth screenshot is also a dashboard. Okay, leave it alone. We shall explore more. Okay, then when launching the Power BI, or how to launch the Power BI. So after we've already installed, you just need to come. Maybe you can open or double click, okay, for it to open, okay, and give it some time to launch. Okay. Yes, it might take some few seconds to launch, and you can see it is now launching. You can see the Power BI, it's now launching. Okay. Yes, give it some few minutes. And of course, you can see for my case, it's giving me a black theme because I chose in my initial Power BI desktop, I did what? I had chosen the dark appearance. I had done a customization for the dark appearance. That's why even after launching, you can see, even after I have launched it, you can see it is what? It is dark. Even after launching it, you can see it is what? It is dark. Okay. Yes, it is dark. So basically, you can see we have like a blank report. If we want to create a blank report, this is how it will look like. Okay, so now from tomorrow we'll start with that is the to learn all this basically UI or the user interface for Power BI. Okay, before we can start, so that you may know each and every that is a icon, okay, or tab we have in that is in Power BI desktop. Okay, yes. Otherwise, I will stop the recording at that point until we meet tomorrow. Thank you.